One of the best things about having a 5-in-1 reflector on hand is the ability to diffuse or reflect light. Let's go over that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another video, and let me begin by saying, yes sir! Today we're talking about a 5-in-1 reflector that I use that is made by Etekcity. I believe I'm saying that right. I'm going to go over what you can do with one reflector, and then I'll follow up with another video using multiple reflectors. That will allow me to get you guys reeled in, coming back for more content. Now, in a previous video, I gave you guys a glimpse of what can be done with using a flash in slave mode. But let's get to this reflector. When I unfold it, I have the option to use the black side to block out unwanted light, the white side to bounce soft light, the gold side to reflect warm yellow light, and a silver side to reflect stronger light. In addition, when unzipping the reflector, I'm left with a diffuser that allows me to diffuse harsh sunlight or any light through it to create a softer, balanced look. To get some example footage, I asked Kevin could he come downtown to assist me so he can be my subject for this video. I have a clip that shows me using this silver side, holding it up to the weak side of Kevin's face that isn't targeted by the sunlight, just to fill in those shadows. Now in the first photo, you can see how the harsh sunlight casts a strong shadow on the weak side of Kevin. I angled a reflector on that weak side around his height to help fill in the shadows. In this second photo, you can see how those shadows were filled in, but we are left with one problem that I didn't resolve in this photo. Kevin is squinting because of the harsh sunlight. Now this is where a diffuser can be used to put right between Kevin and the sun to balance that light out, to make it less harsh, to make it softer. This is something that deserves its own video. In fact, it will be its own video. So let me pull back a little bit on that because we're primarily talking about the reflector. Now regarding the black side, you can use that to block unwanted light or to create shadows. Now remember, for these particular reflectors, one side is black, the other side is silver, one side is white, the other side is gold. So no side is the same type of material. Now there's a lot of example videos and photos out there that shows how to use a reflector, and they use models and all these photo shoots and stuff like that. I want to show you guys what you can do in your everyday life. With that being said, these front-facing iPhone photos show you how you can integrate a reflector in your everyday life. Here's a selfie of me without a reflector, and then here's another using the white side beside my face to fill in those shadows. Now let's say I'm taking photos somewhere and there's a warm light source I don't want and that I can't turn off. I can use the black side to absorb that light so it doesn't interfere with my photo. If you do decide to do that, be careful because it leaves the silver side open to reflect the primary light source. Alternatively, you can just bring the black side closer to the subject, causing that silver side to reflect the warm light away. Just know that you are now creating a shadow on the subject. Now personally, I don't use the gold side that much, so I don't have a lot to show for it. I don't have great examples, but there are people out there who give it justice, who do it justice. I have another clip of me holding that gold side up beside Kevin just to see what it looks like. Again, this does not do it justice at all. Don't think that this is any wow, amazing content. Like I said, it's certainly a strong look, so make sure you use it appropriately in your settings. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to check out more, please consider subscribing.